Hello, welcome to all my dear students. Today I am again back to take the classes on conditionals. I think all of you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear students, today I will discuss on conditionals. So please let's begin the class. Dear students, at first we have to know that what is conditionals. If I say in Bengali, conditionals means শর্তাধীন বাক্য, একটা বাক্যের শর্ত থাকবে, একটার সাথে আরেকটা শর্ত পূরণ হবে. So dear students, this is called conditionals and there are three rules of conditionals. If is used here, the first rule is subject plus present indefinite tense, then subject plus will plus present form of the main verbs plus extension. The second rule is if plus past indefinite, then subject would plus present form of main verbs plus extension. Then the third rule is if plus past perfect, subject would have plus past participle of the main verbs and then extension. So dear students, at first we have to know the first rule and we have to discuss about it. I have already said that in the first rule we have seen that if plus present indefinite tense. At first we have to know that what present indefinite tense is. The structure of present indefinite tense: subject plus present form of the main verb plus extension. If I say in Bengali, tumi asho, tumi asho. The translation of the sentence is you come. Then আমি যদি বলি আমি যাব, the translation of the sentence will be I will go. So dear students, here I have written two sentences. One is তুমি আসো, you come, and the other is আমি যাব, I will go. Now we will see how can we apply it in the first rule. If I say that যদি তুমি আসো তাহলে আমি যাব, then we have to put here if you come, comma, I will go. If we see the first structure of conditionals, if plus present indefinite tense, here if plus present indefinite, then subject, here subject I, will, here will, present form of the verbs go is present form here. So dear students, if we look at the first structure, if plus present indefinite, subject, will, present form of the verbs and extension. Here the example is যদি তুমি আসো তাহলে আমি যাব. If you come, here if plus present indefinite tense, then subject I will go. যদি তুমি আসো তাহলে আমি যাব. If you come, I will go. Okay, let's go to the second structure. Our second structure is if past indefinite, comma, subject would, present form of verbs and extension. Okay, dear students, if we imagine the first sentence, here at first we have to know that what is the structure of past indefinite tense. The structure of past indefinite tense is subject plus past form of the verb plus extension. If I say in Bengali, যদি তুমি আসতে তাহলে আমি যেতাম. If we translate the sentence, it will be like that. Second rule, if তুমি আসতে, that means we will apply here past indefinite tense. If you came, comma, I would go. Here we have used came, then we have to use would. But the main verb will be in present form. যদি তুমি আসতে তাহলে আমি যেতাম. If you came, I would go. That means here I have used the second rule of conditionals. Dear students, now I will go to the structure number 3. Here I have used that if plus past perfect, then subject would have past participle of main verbs and extension. To do the third rule, at first we have to know the structure of past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past participle of the verb plus extension. If I say in Bengali, যদি তুমি আসিয়া থাকতে তাহলে আমি গিয়ে থাকতাম. যদি তুমি আসিয়া থাকতে তাহলে আমি গিয়া থাকতাম. Okay, dear students, now we are going to translate the sentence. If you had come, comma, I would have gone. If you had come, I would have gone. Here in the first portion of the sentence, I have used had come. There we have to use there would have plus verb 3. So dear students, that is the third rule of conditionals. Dear students, if I say that if I had a cow, what will be the tense of this sentence? If I had a cow. Here some students think that it is past perfect tense, and that is totally wrong. Here if we write the structure of past perfect tense, the structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past participle form of the verbs plus extension. Now let's see the sentence. Here subject I, had verb 3 where. So there is no similarity with this structure. Here, had has been used as auxiliary verb. But in this sentence, had has been used as main verb. So, if we write down the structure of past indefinite tense, then we will see subject plus past form of the verb plus extension. Now, let's see the sentence. Subject I, verb to had. How it has been? Have or has, verb 1, verb 2 had, verb 3 had. So we have used here the second form of has or had. So in this way we can call it completely past indefinite tense. If I had a cow, আমার যদি একটা গরু থাকতো, then we have to complete the sentence. I would sell it in the market. If I had a cow, I would sell it in the market. If I say in Bengali, আমার যদি একটা গরু থাকতো, তাহলে আমি এটা বাজারে বিক্রি করতাম. We have followed the second structure of the conditionals. Here, main verb is had, so we have to use here would. So in structure number 2, E plus past indefinite, that is past indefinite, E plus past indefinite, then we have to use subject I, would, present form of the verbs, sell is the present form of the verb, and extension it in the market. So that is the sentence totally belongs to structure number 2. Dear students, it will have a problem in structure number 3. If I say, if I had if you had come, তুমি যদি আসিয়া থাকতে, I would have gone. If I say in Bengali, তুমি যদি আসিয়া থাকতে, তাহলে আমি গিয়ে থাকতাম. We have used structure number 3. If you had come, that is totally past perfect tense. I would have gone. But in some sentences, if is not used there. If I say that, had you come, I would have gone. In some sentences, if is not used. If you had come, I would have gone. We can say the sentence in another way, that is, had you come, I would have gone. In Bengali, if I say, had you come, তুমি যদি আসিয়া থাকতে, I would have gone, তাহলে আমি গিয়ে থাকতাম. So, conditionals means শর্তাধীন বাক্য. আমি আবারও বলছি, আমরা তিনটা স্ট্রাকচার এখানে দেখেছি. স্ট্রাকচার নাম্বার 1 is if plus present indefinite, subject plus will plus present form of the main verb plus extension. Structure number 2, if plus past indefinite, subject plus would plus present form of the main verbs plus extension. And structure number 3, if plus past perfect, subject would have, past participle form of the main verbs plus extension. If you have the proper idea about these conditionals, you can use it in the right form of verbs. You can use it in completing sentence. At the same time, you can use it in the transformation. So, dear students, আমি শেষে এইটুকু বলবো যে আমাদের কন্ডিশনালস শিখতে গেলে এই তিনটা স্ট্রাকচার খুব ভালো করে জানতে হবে, কারণ খুব মনোযোগ দিয়ে এটা জানতে হবে। তোমরা যদি মনে করো যে এটা আমার পড়তে খুব অসুবিধা হবে বা আমার মতো স্টুডেন্টের দ্বারা এটা করা সম্ভব নয়, তাহলে ভুল মনে করবে। কারণ যে ছেলেটি একসময় পেপার বিক্রি করত, সেই ছেলেটি একসময় ইন্ডিয়ার রাষ্ট্রপতি হয়েছিলেন। যে ছেলেটা একসময় রচনা প্রতিযোগিতায় লিখেছিল যে আমি একসময় আমেরিকার প্রেসিডেন্ট হব, তিনি একসময় আমেরিকার প্রেসিডেন্ট হয়েছিলেন। হ্যাঁ, আমি বারাক ওবামার কথা বলছি। কাজেই নাথিং ইজ ইম্পসিবল ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড। If you have your strong willpower, you can do anything. So, dear students, that's all for today. And keep watching my videos. I will be back with my next class. Until that, good luck.